Hi, meet again on this channel. This time we will continue our analysis regarding the processor cooling fan on the ThinkPad T420 laptop. If in the previous video, the link is in the top corner.
We can conclude that the Q77 transistor is damaged because the voltage at pin 3 of this transistor shows a value of 5 volts, even though the voltage at pin 2 appears at around 3 volts.
Let's review a little about the transistor. If the transistor is in normal condition, the voltage at pin 3 should show 0 volts. This happens because if pin number 2 gets a voltage of 3 volts, then the transistor will be active, because Q77 is an NPN transistor that is active high. So pin 3 will be connected to pin 1, which is directly connected to the ground path. So if there is a voltage of 5 volts on pin 3, this shows that pin 3 is not connected to pin 1. And the 5 volt voltage on pin 3 comes from VCC5B through resistors R136 and R139. So now we will show another possibility if MOSFET Q1 is not active. Even though transistor Q77 is in normal condition, where the voltage on pin 3 shows 0 volts, but on pin 3 of MOSFET Q1 it still shows 5 volts. So if so, it is possible that the damaged component is the resistor R139. The damage is broken. Why is that? Because if R139 breaks, then the voltage entering pin 3 of MOSFET Q1 is 5 volts from here. The two resistors can no longer work as a voltage divider. With the appearance of a voltage of 5 volts on pin 3, of course the P-channel Q1 MOSFET will not be active. Okay, hopefully this is useful. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.